Just wanted to show everybody my new truck. Got my first load hooked up to it. I ain't even got to take it on the highway yet. Got my new chains put on. Besides the rusty ones, those go on the drag chains for the trailer. Kenworth T680. Giving you a tour of the outside, and then I'll give you a tour of the inside. Got all my cleaning stuff and oil, antifreeze. I put the inverter in under here. New style antenna instead of the ugly round one for local channels and whatnot. Pop the hood and show you the anniversary motor. Anniversary edition Kenworth, I guess. Yeah, 100th anniversary edition, the X15. Nice and purdy for now. Till I pull in a gravel parking lot. Hello, bugger. Think you're going somewhere? Just like the other truck, but got the new truck smell. We got a fridge in the floor for now. You don't want to be on video?
Top is a mess right now.
TV, DVD, clothes, microwave. Pretty simple. Oh. Got the cameras. They're not turned on. You have to do something wrong to get those turned on, I guess they say, but that's the camera facing outside. You hit a big bump or hit the brakes hard, it'll come on and film for a while. That's downside because they can hear what you say, but they don't watch 90% of what they say. That's the pre-pass for the way stations and turnpike and whatnot. And that ugly box is for the lane departure. When you go over a lane or a line on the highway, you hear this annoying sound. That's annoying. And then there's the people net. That's how DOT runs my life. And that's the boss, so he thinks. You the boss, Booger? Hey, Booger. Are you ignoring me? Booger. Hey. Are you the boss? Speak. Booger, speak. Speak. Hey, speak. Good boy. You the boss? Yeah? Are you the boss? You suck at doing interviews. Give me 5. Good boy. Get a treat now.